This is my DIY air conditioner. I made it out of a 79 Ford F100 heater core, a bilge pump, and an igloo cooler. So let's see how cold it gets. Starting temperature right now is 86.4 degrees. Let's turn it on and see what happens, how cold it gets. As you can see, it drops down to nice 68.4. Actually still dropping. And let's see the temperature in the room is 89.3 degrees. And I'll check back in an hour to see how cold it gets. Okay, it's been about, I'd say, 2 hours since I had put it on. It got down as low as 57 degrees, but now it's starting to climb because the ice is starting to melt. Put the fan on to help circulate the air. Right now it's at 68.3 degrees, which is pretty good. And this room temperature is down to 87.5, which is about 2 degree difference from before. So this is DIY air conditioning.